I won fully funded Turkiye scholarships in 2019, and in this video I will share everything you should know before applying for the scholarship. If you want to apply for Bachelor, Master or PhD in any major you want, including medicine or dentistry, then continue watching this video. The interesting part is that you can study at any university and any city in Turkey. What does the scholarship cover? Tuition fee, accommodation, your meals. When I was studying there, that dormitory was providing 2 times hot meals in the mornings and in the evenings. And at the university canteen, you have special price to eat. So basically the scholarship is covering your meals also. You will get monthly stipend of 4,500 Turkish lira if you're applying for Bachelor, 6,500 Turkish lira if you're applying for Master, and 9,000 Turkish lira if you're applying for PhD. Yes, it is quite low considering the inflation in Turkey, but as an international student with residence permit that you have, you can work in Turkey. I was studying and teaching English at the same time, and the money that I was getting in 2019 plus the money I was earning from teaching English was more than enough to live comfortably in Turkey. The scholarship will provide comprehensive medical insurance and you will get 1 year of free Turkish courses. Additionally, you will get air tickets from your home country to one of the cities of Turkey where you are going to study. In my case, I got ticket from my home country Tajikistan to Ankara because I was studying at Ankara University. Who can apply? Notwithstanding your nationality, you can apply for this scholarship. So all countries are included in this scholarship. You have to have a good academic achievement and grades. You shouldn't be more than 21 years old if you're applying for bachelor degree, under 30 years old if you're applying for master, under 35 years old if you're applying for PhD. You have to complete your education before starting the actual program. Basically, you should be done with your education by August 2025. You don't have to provide IELTS or TOEFL certificates, but if you have it, that's great. Please submit it. But in most cases, their programs are in the Turkish language, so please consider that before applying. Of course, you can apply for one of the English taught programs, but you can't be sure that you can get it. For example, in my case, I also applied for the English program and uploaded IELTS certificate, but still I didn't get it. I only got PhD program in the Turkish language. And please remember that you can't change your program after you arrive to Turkey. How can you apply for this scholarship? You should apply through the platform of the scholarship. The link you will find in the description of the video. You have to provide motivation letter, your CV, recommendation letters if you have any language certificate, of course upload it. It's very important. It will enhance your application, but as I have mentioned, most programs are in the Turkish language. If you're applying for PhD, please remember to upload your research proposal, which is a very important document, especially for the further interview. When can you apply for the scholarship? Application is open now from 10th of January to February 20th. Please remember that reviewing of your application will take a lot of time and they will invite you for the interview if your application is successful approximately June-July to the embassy of Turkey in your country. If you don't have Turkish embassy in your country, then most probably you will have your interview online. In my case, I went to the embassy of Turkey in my country and I had the interview about 25 minutes. At that time, I remember the interviewer didn't speak very well English, or maybe he didn't want to speak very well English. So there was a translator who was translating our speech. So if you don't speak Turkish, that's fine. If you speak English, that's fine. If you speak your own language, there will be translators still. What did they ask me in the interview? It was mainly about my research proposal, what I'm going to research, and also I think one of the main points that helped me to win this scholarship was the level of preparedness of mind. I took with me all the documents that I uploaded to the system, and I was showing the committee member whatever he was asking. Therefore, please get prepared for the interview approximately June-July. And also they were asking me some general questions, the population of Turkey, the population of Tajikistan, GDP of Tajikistan, because I was applying for PhD in economics. Therefore, depending on your major, the general questions can be different. So get ready. If you're applying for bachelor degree, you can also have some written tests like simple mathematics or social science. So be prepared for that also. I didn't have this test because I was applying already for PhD, but if you're applying for Bachelor, get ready for that. I wish you good luck and see you in my next videos.